Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your locked Chime account quickly and safely. If your Chime account is locked, it usually means there's been suspicious activity, too many login attempts, or a verification issue. First, don't keep trying to log in because repeated attempts can make it worse. Instead, open your email inbox and look for a message from Chime explaining why your account was locked. Follow any steps they include, like verifying your identity or confirming recent activity. If you didn't get an email, go to the Chime website or app and use the Contact Support option. You can also email support@chime.com directly. In your message, include your full name, the email linked to your Chime account, and a short explanation saying your account is locked and you want to regain access. After verifying your identity, Chime will unlock your account and you'll be able to log in and access your funds normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.